Hello my beautiful soul tribe, welcome back to my channel. This is Neetu. So today we are back here with a pick a card reading, and today we will be seeing the energies for next 3 months. That is July, August and September. Yes, so the next 3 months we'll see how the energies are playing out. What is that you can expect, any blessings, or what are the big changes, or what is that we can expect with the current energies and how they are playing out in our lives. So let's quickly take a peek into the energies and see what is that we can expect. So as usual, I have 3 piles for you, pile number 1, 2 and 3. I'll also be placing a crystal on top of each pile. If you're a visual person, you can see which crystal is drawing your attention or which pile is drawing your attention, and that is going to be your reading. You can go ahead and select more than one pile and see however you feel it right at this point in time based on your energy that is that you're holding right now. All right, so I have 3 stones here. The first group we have Angelite. For group number 2 we have a black obsidian. Okay, snowflake obsidian. All right, you can see those snowflakes kind of picture there. And then for group number 3 we have lapis lazuli. Okay, so we have the group set up, so you take your time, pause the video if you need to. We have angelite, we have snowflake obsidian, and then we have lapis lazuli, and the timestamps will be pinned in the description box down below. You can fast forward directly to the reading that you have chosen here. I'll be starting with group number 1 now. Welcome group number 1. If you have selected the angelite crystal, this reading is for you. Let's get started. Okay, so we have 2 of pentacles and we have king of cups here. So for the next 3 months it looks like you are going to be a little busy in your head, and also probably physical work as well. There is going to be a lot of decisions that you are going to take. There are going to be certain important decisions that you will be taking in the next 3 months. This could be related to something material. Maybe you're changing your job, your career, or there is something that you are taking certain decisions in order to identify which is important to you and which is not. And you will also be learning, I mean, you'll be understanding emotionally what is satisfying to you is what you're going to keep it for yourself, and you're going to let go of what is not important to you, what is not emotionally giving you that satisfaction. Even when I was shuffling the cards for all the 3 piles, not just for you, there are a lot of things that you're shedding, you're releasing, and there are a lot of things that you are letting go. All of us, you know, we are finally understanding what is important in our life and what is emotionally satisfying us. Looks like this is the time for us to take certain decisions which are inevitable for us, which probably we have overlooked for quite some time. I don't know which area that is probably you know, triggering in your mind right now. That is the area where you're bringing most of the changes in the next 3 months, where you'll be weighing the pros and cons, where you'll be taking the decisions, you know, based on, okay, this is for me and this is not for me. And you're going to see things very clearly in a broader perspective. You're not going to get into this emotional, you know, weakness. Rather, you're going to use your emotions as a tool to identify what is important to you and what is not. All right, so there is going to be some very important decisions that you're going to be taking in the next 3 months, and that which is very close to your heart and that which is very much necessary for you, whichever that is. Even if it is job which is not satisfying you, you are just draining, it is just draining your energy, or if it is a relationship, it is just draining your energy. It is a time for you to take balance, take control of your life, of the situation, whichever you have been overlooking for quite some time. I'm not sure what is that going on with you guys, but yeah, this is the time for you to gain emotional balance and to be really having this discernment between what is right, what is not for you in your life. Yes, look at that. We have awareness, Fertility. Wow. Wow, this is very, very, very beautiful. I mean, we have awareness, like you are kind of finally seeing the truth for what it is. You're finally realizing what is important for you. And also typically in the tarot, this is a magician card, and then we have fertility in the tarot. In the actual tarot, this is going to be an empress card. So fertility, and also the heart space is illuminated here, and there is a lot of growth. 3 is about growth, and also you can see the egg kind of a formation here. It is something that has been there in your mind for quite some time to make some changes, or you are aware of what are the changes that you require in your life, and you are probably in this next 3 months going to take certain decisions which are very much necessary for you to take. All right, for some of you it is also about finally deciding to take your family life into next level, or your love life into next level. If it is not favorable anymore, you're kind of taking certain very important decisions. And also we have fertility as a matter of fact. So definitely things are progressing. All right, you cannot and you don't want to stay in the stagnancy. If there has been stagnancy or a very plain routine, if you have been stuck in, you are definitely taking things to the next level, whichever area that is. You want to level up. You don't want to be in that older energy anymore. You definitely want to level up. You want to ladder up. You want to climb the next step, next stairs, and you want to explore the new way, new possibilities and opportunities. And the energies are absolutely in favorable to you. Definitely there is a lot of growth that are happening, and magician is all about you taking decisions, you taking things under control, you're taking things in your hand, and you're deciding on what is important and what is not, what is that you're going to manifest, and what is that you want to send out of your life, and things like that. You are definitely gaining control of your life and taking things to the next level. The movement, the progression, taking things to the next step, or there is a lot of growth that is waiting for you, and this growth can occur, this fertility can take place and allow you to grow and expand and get into the next level only when you can take certain decisions on what is important to you and what is not. That is going to allow you to grow and expand. Oh, look at that. We have rainbow blessings. Blessings are showering your life. And then we have watching clouds, lie back, rest and relax. Wow, that is something we all want, isn't it? Just you want to relax and enjoy being in the moment, and finally anchoring down. I'm getting the sense of anchoring down, where you want to stay, where you want to be committed, where you want things to be in this phase of committed situation, where you don't want to be uncertain anymore. You want for certain, for sure that this is what that I want in life. You want certainty. You don't want things to be fluid anymore. You want something solid, tangible, and like commitment, like taking things to the next level. And of course we have blessings coming through, and this blessings is like in all the area of your life, and very specific to that area where you have been waiting for some of you. It is about getting pregnant, having a baby, taking your family to the next level. Yes, there is a very, very strong chances of getting this good news if you are deciding to have this baby and want to take your family to the next level. Yes, there is a very strong possibility. If some of you, if you are wondering about that, yes, the chances are very strong. And also this watching cloud, it's like lie back, rest and relax. Like you have done or you have been through a lot, or you have been through in that stagnancy, or in that steady phase, or like nothing really happening out of that situation for quite some time. It is now time for you to take things to the next level, is what the energy I'm getting here. All right, it's like you will have to watch how your life is unfolding unfolding from now on, like things getting gaining momentum, you taking decisions, like your life is going to unfold in front of you in a very beautiful way, provided you decide to take decisions, you decide to be this magician, be that creator that you are. Then things are going to be absolutely amazing. I'm getting a lot of movement and progression and growth, commitment, next level kind of energy that I'm receiving. So try to fit in the reading according to whichever situation or whatever that you're going through, but I'm seeing a lot of positive changes that are coming your way. All right, so we have a broken heart, angel of strength. Yeah, probably you had gone through something very difficult in the past where you were trying to heal and you were trying to take certain decisions, or somebody broke your heart and you were trying to heal out of it. But whatever is the reason, we have angel of strength coming through here very strongly to tell you that you know what, you got what it takes, and you are ready. You're ready to take things to the next level. You're ready. If you're single and if you have been healing for quite some time, looks like you're ready to get into this new relationship, or at least have your heart open for you to be able to attract the right kind of person into your life, because angel of strength talks about taking control, taking the power back, the lion here. And for me, this is Archangel Ariel. Like, she's having this this gaze, like focused gaze, focused attention on towards the future, right? Not the past. It is about letting go of the past. It is about the strength, using your strength and power of letting go what has not served you or what is not serving you. Or this heartbreak is probably happening right now. Probably something is crushing you down, something is really dominating your energy and you feel like crushed, you can't move. Your angels are definitely coming here very strongly to tell you that you know what, we got your back. You have enough strength that you need to get out of the situation and take decisions which are very important and inevitable right now for you to bring this growth, and getting into the next level of your life. So let's see what's okay. Surrender overthinking. If you're obsessing about a person wow, if you're obsessing about a person or situation, turn the dilemma over to spirit. Doing so will help bring you clarity or even solve the problem. How about that? If you're obsessing about a situation or a person, or probably this happened in the past or something that is happening right now, obsessive thinking is not going to help you in any way. So your angels and guides are telling you to surrender your obsessive thinking to us. We know exactly what is important to you and will help you bring that into your life, provided you stop overthinking and think in the right direction. Think about the future, think about the present, think about what is really important to you and not about what is not and what is not serving you, because that is stale. That is that is something which will have to live your life so that all the rainbow blessings that are waiting to enter your life can actually enter, right? It is about clearing clutter, taking some very important decisions, and looking at the beauty of how your life is going to unfold right in front of you with all that blessings that are waiting to enter your life. And the last card is call to action. How about that? Take charge, lead by example, walk your talk. Okay, so this is the time for you to take action, dear pile 1. This is the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to finally take control of your life, taking decisions, letting go of what is not serving you, using your power of letting go. That is a very, very strong power that we have got. Letting go of what is not serving us, clearing the clutter. It could be physical, it could be mental, so that we can really welcome all this new energy that is waiting to enter into our life. So this is going to be a very blessing filled next 3 months, provided you take action, because we clearly your angels and guides are telling call for action. This is a time to take action. This is not the time to just sit and think about it. This is the time for you to take action and look at how beautifully your life is going to unfold right in front of you, and it will surprise you. And those are the messages that I'm getting for you for the next 3 months. Hopefully you guys get through this successfully and bring in this blessings into your life. Stop overthinking. You got this. All right, that's all I have for you. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Welcome group number 2. If you have selected the Snowflake Obsidian, this reading is for you. This already feels heavy, meaning something is going out of your life, or you are releasing something. Oh wow, wow. This is super powerful, dear group number 2. We have 3 of Swords, we have Death. And this is a very, very, very strong and heavy combination to have in a reading. 3 of Swords is something about, like you were hurt, it was painful, or it is painful for you in some way. There is something that is leaving your life. Death, that is something which is completely not meant to be in your life anymore. I know it is very, very hard to see this combination, and whatever you're going through, whatever you have lost, or whatever happened, this is for your good. All right, so I'm getting the sense of for whatever reason, I don't feel like this was a loss, even though it feels like it is a loss to you, but this is something which was not meant into your to be in your life. I don't know if it is a relationship, or I don't know if something that happened that really broke your heart, or something happened in your life. You're probably processing this pain, you're healing out of something really hurt you very badly, and this combination is clearly telling you that this is not how it was supposed to be. This was not meant to be in your life. It just served your purpose. Whatever you were supposed to learn, whatever you were supposed to gain out of this situation, you have done it, and it is time for this thing, whatever it is, to leave your life. I'm not sure if it is a relationship, or any situation, or a job, or the actual death of somebody. I'm not sure what happened. I'm really sorry for having to deliver such a heavy reading, but this is what it is. If your angels and guides want to talk about this is what they are going to show. And yeah, this has been rather painful to you, but this is supposed to happen, or this is something which is not supposed to be in your life. This is for your greater good. Just trust the process and go with the flow. We have conflict and defeat, number 5. There is a lot of changes that are coming, and here's the good news. We have a power, a very powerful card coming through. This is the Strength card, and your angels and guides are telling you that you have the strength, you have the courage, you have the capacity to overcome whatever that you have been through. Maybe your closed one betrayed you, maybe somebody betrayed you in your relationship, and you have finally decided to leave that behind. There is a lot of conflict and defeat. Somebody really dominated your energy. They definitely did not allow you to grow or progress if it was a relationship, and it was really painful for you. And this is absolutely heaviness that I'm feeling right now. Okay, so your angels and guides are definitely telling you that, this happened to make you realize how strong you are, how important you are to yourself in your life, how you were putting others in front of you, in ahead of your own personal health, personal interest, and you were always there for others. And this is the time for you to realize how important you are to yourself. This is the time for you to reflect on yourself. This is the time for you to heal. This is the time for you to mend your heart within yourself, with yourself. All right, so this is the time for you to really get into this place of empowerment and realize how important you are to yourself. And also there is a candle here and a light, and this is a proof of hope. All right, though there is a lot of heaviness here, you're trying to find your way back. You're trying to you want to get out of something, or something like that is what I'm picking up. But there is a ray of hope, and your angels and guides are telling you that, you know what, dear, we know you what you're going through, and this is only making you stronger. It is only making you powerful. It is only making you realize how important you are to yourself, and stop putting everybody else ahead of yourself. And this is time for you to take your power back and realize what is important to you, who is important to you, and most important of all, you are important and you are loved beyond measures. All right, so yeah, I do understand this is heavy. This is really one must have a lot of courage and strength to go through this pain, and we totally believe that you are capable of doing this, because here's the confirmation: you got the power and you will come out of this. You're not stuck here, you're not a victim here. This is to make you realize that you are strong enough. Okay, grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. And then we have gates of triumph. How about that? Success expands in your life, right? So I want you to take a clear look at this card, because there is a new door that is opening for you, and this door is leading you towards the sunshine, towards the greenery. That is healing, that is success, that is growth. This is the place where you're supposed to be. This is the place where you're supposed to live, because that is where you can grow, you can thrive, right? So, you know, in the dark, nothing can thrive, nothing can grow. When the sun rays come out is when there is going to be a lot of growth, abundance, greenery, and all those things. And probably you were in this damp, in this darkness where you cannot grow, you cannot thrive, and your angels and guides are telling you, you know what, we are taking you to exactly where you belong, because you belong in the light, in the sunshine. And whatever this was, it is not meant for you anymore, because it has served its purpose. Now it's time for you to, you know, go to the place where you really belong, and this new door is opening for you, and I'm absolutely happy and thrilled for you. I cannot express my happiness here, because I totally understand what is that you're going through, because I have gone through a lot in my life, so I can totally relate what you're going through right now. But trust me, there is light. There is definitely the light at the end of the tunnel, and you're almost reaching to the end of the tunnel. So that is something that we can assure you. Grace and gratitude. Yes, it is really easy for us to take our sight out of everything good that is happening in our life. Maybe at least one good that is happening in our life, you know, just focus on that, and change your focus towards things that is really going good at this point, so that it will give you relief, and be in that place of gratefulness, and accept this changes with grace and poise, because this change is inevitable, and trust me, this is absolutely necessary for you to grow. Just accept it with grace and gratitude and poise, and don't resist this change. This change is absolutely making you who you are supposed to be, and you have to be actually thrilled about whatever the change that is happening in your life. Oh, look at that. 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel. This is your connection to the divine, your connection to the other side, your angels and guides, and they're telling you that this is taking you to the higher level of consciousness. This is taking you to the next level of understanding, the broader perspective of life, and you're very strongly connected to the other side, meaning they are always there to help you. They are giving you messages, signs, and synchronicities, and they're really telling you that, you know what, we got your back, don't worry, and this too shall pass. This is just a matter of time. You got enough strength and courage. This is how you're supposed to be, with this poise, with this elegance, with this royalty, with this luxury, having this independence, individuality, empowered and capable of handling your life on your own, right? So this is where you're headed. You are getting into a very high level of consciousness, empowered individual being, and this is you. You're supposed to be like this. You're not supposed to be trapped in the fear, in the anger, in the frustration, with the domination of others, where you're not, you cannot grow, you cannot thrive, you cannot just be there, right? So you're definitely headed towards the sunshine, where you can be that individual person with your own individuality, with your own with your centered, grounded approach towards life. And we have a cat here, and it is black, and I'm getting the sense of something is going to be revealed to you. If you're not already going through this, there is something that is going to be revealed to you, which will force you to take certain drastic actions to end something abruptly. Okay, this is for a few of you, is what I'm getting, because what I'm sensing is people really cannot play behind your back. You kind of sense things. You know if something is not right, something is going wrong. You kind of sense it. Nobody can fool you, or nobody can take you for granted. However, you give that lenience to others to, to take you for granted, because you are so loving and caring, and you feel like we'll have to do it for others. But there is, if you are not going through this already, there is this something that is going to be revealed, where you'll be taking certain decisions very abruptly to safeguard your heart, in a way, is what I'm getting. All right, but others of you are already going through this, and you are definitely getting into this next level of being you, this new way of living with your peculiar energy signature, where people will turn their head and see, oh wow, that is the kind of energy I'm getting for you. And I'm really happy and thrilled. No matter how heavy we felt in the initial stages, I'm not feeling that heaviness anymore. So you're definitely moving towards the calmer water. No matter how rough the water feels right now, you're definitely moving towards the calmer water. Surrender to prayer. Yes, surrender to prayer. Give yourself over completely to prayer. When you pray from your heart, you will be heard throughout the universe, and answers and support will arrive. Yes, please surrender to the prayer. Your angels and guides are telling that your prayer has been heard, and whatever you have been asking for, whatever you're going through, it is for your good, for your highest and greater good, and only good is coming out of the situation. We know, we hear, we exactly know what you're going through, and we got your back. You will be out of this very soon. Ascension, Serapis Bay, and Serapis Bay is all about ascension, consciousness expansion. Serapis Bay is the ascended master who kind of is in charge of our ascension process that we are going through on earth. So Serapis Bay is telling that move into your true self, rise above the darkness. The light is here. Wow, we have been talking about light this whole time, and it's a confirmation here. You are moving towards the light, and the light is here. Rise above the darkness, because you deserve more. You are an expanded, beautiful soul, and you deserve more. And whatever that you're going through is only to expand your consciousness, is it is to enlighten you, empower you, bring you this sense of individuality, to have your own separate energy signature, which is not going to be dominated by anybody else. And I'm really happy and thrilled for you, and this is something that you can expect in the next 3 months. Absolutely enjoy this change. Do not resist this change, because you're not going to be the same person ever again, like how you were earlier. Whatever that means to you, but you are definitely getting into this higher level of consciousness, and that is something we'll have to embrace and accept. All right, yeah, that's all I'm getting for you, group number 2. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye. Welcome, group number 3. If you have selected Lapis Lazuli, this reading is for you. As I started your pile, I saw the word or a sentence, a new day. All right, so probably that is something related. There is something new, or you're starting new, or there is some newness that is coming into your life, or there is something new that is happening. This fresh, beautiful energy is what I'm feeling, like a breeze, a beautiful breeze of air, like washing away all the dirt. It is feeling very fresh and happy. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that, the Fool. This is new beginning. Wow, this is the new beginning. We have Seven of Wands and Fool. There is something new that you are starting. There is something new that you are, probably you have something in your mind that you want to start. Maybe this new idea of business, or there is something new that you are starting, and you are definitely going to have to stand your ground about this, because I don't think so many of the people will approve of what you're doing, or not many people will understand what you're trying to do, or they may oppose it, they may fight about it, or there is something that you will be doing no matter what people say about it. All right, but definitely there is this new beginning, new chapter in your life, where you're not really bothered about what the outcome is going to be, because this is something that you really want from the bottom of your heart, and that is something that you're going to do, or that is something that you're going to start in the next 3 months. And for some of you, it is definitely about business or some creative project that you're going to begin, and there is going to be a lot of competition. You will have to stand your ground. You will have to make your plan, strategy, everything, and then but it has got a lot of potential. All right, that is something that I'm seeing. It has got a lot of potential for it to attract the competition in the first place, so you are capable of doing this. But I think this is something which is going to give you a lot of expansion, growth, and it is going to expand your horizon, is something that I'm seeing. It may also be a lonely journey. Not lonely is not the right word. Maybe you are going to take this risk on your own without having to be dependent on others. All right, so that is something I'm getting. But let's see. Okay, we have Memories of Love. We have Sacral Chakra. Yeah, this is about creative project. This is something that you really want to do, or this is something which you had in your mind, or you're trying to fulfill somebody else's desire also. For some of you, you're trying to do this to honor somebody, or this is something you have been dreaming about from your childhood, that you want to do this, or there is something about you doing this out of love, out of your emotional satisfaction, out of your own beliefs and your own strengths, and you're not really depending on others much. There is this sense of rebellious, a rebel word is what I'm getting, like I want to do, and I am going to do this no matter whether I'm going to get any support or not. I want to do this. I want to take action, and I want to see where it is going to take me. Like you're following your heart, like I want to do this and see where it is going to go. And this could very well be business, because I'm getting a lot of the visions of money, you meeting people and explaining your ideas to somebody, or you're talking to your clients in a way, or there is something, you have some unique ideas in your mind and you want to go after it, and you want to see how far it is going to take you, and you're going to stand your ground, and you're not going to listen to anybody else, naysayers, and somebody is trying to tell you, what, this is not going to work, but you're not going to listen to them, because you believe in yourself. And this is the most empowered work anybody can do, when people are against this, and you believe in yourself, and that is what is going to bring you the success, because you believed in yourself, you believe in your own strength, in your own talent. And and this is something which you're doing to follow the heart. Maybe this is about helping others, maybe this is about being of help to the society, or something that involves helping others in some way. All right, yeah, this is very interesting. Trust there is a divine plan. Desert passage. Fellow traveler, support is all around you. Look at that, you are alone here, you're embarking on this journey, and you're not seeing anybody else on the way, but you take the step anyway, you go after whatever you want anyway, and then the people starts to show up. People are going to recognize you, people are going to see how how courageous you are to take this step, and they're going to see your potential, and eventually you're going to get lot of help, lot of support all around you. All right, and we have probably you resonate with peacock, or probably peacock is your spirit animal. All right, and peacock is about standards, not compromising on the standards, and its poise, its grace, its beauty, and its uniqueness. And that is exactly what you're embracing right now. You're embracing your unique talent, or you're embracing your creative spark right now, and you want to follow your heart. Do not worry, because once you take that step, everything is going to be aligned to help you fulfill this dream. All right, I don't know what you're dreaming about doing, I don't know what is that you want to do, but this is something which is going to seem to be difficult at the beginning, but as you go ahead, as you march ahead, I see a lot of support coming through. I see a lot of competitors, I see a lot of clients as well who are going to be there to help you. If it is a business or this new creative project that you are willing to start, I see a lot of support coming your way as you go along, as you march forward. All right, if it is in a relationship, or if you're trying to follow your heart in terms of a relationship or something on those lines, initially it may seem difficult, or not many people may approve what you are willing or whom you are attracted to, but eventually people are going to understand, or even if they don't understand, you're not really bothered. But I see a lot of support coming your way. I'm not sure, please try to fit the reading according to your current situation that is going through, but I'm very strongly receiving this creative spark, this something new, the new project that you want to start. Trust there is a divine plan. You are definitely following your heart, so the message is trust there is a divine plan. It may look all difficult right now, it may look impossible, it may look like I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what is the result, but you know what, I'm going to follow my heart. Let me see where it will take me. All right, so that is the kind of message I'm receiving, and it is a very good thing, and it is very brave of you to actually follow your heart and embrace this creative spark, and trusting in the divine, trusting in the God, trusting in your trusting in the universe. And that is something which you're doing amazing, and there is going to be a lot of support. I'm seeing a lot of growth. It may not be easy, but it is definitely going to be worth it. All right, oh, look at that, we have contract here. Okay. This, whatever you're doing, looks like this is the contract that you have with the divine before you came in. This is part of your soul contract. You were supposed to do this. All right, you were supposed to do this. You were supposed to follow this path. There is something about you following your path. Looks like this is your soul's journey. This is something you are meant to do. This is something divine. As I speak, I'm feeling a little dizzy. Yeah, because I'm sensing a lot of energies around me. Looks like a lot of energies are really pushing me to tell you that this is the divine plan. This is something your soul has gotten into a contract with, that you will be doing this here in this lifetime. So looks like this is your life purpose, like life mission or life journey. This is big. All right, so this is absolutely big. Probably you have a bigger plan. Maybe people don't understand you at all with this plan, right? So definitely there is some contracts that you'll be getting into, maybe to set up your business, set up your office, I don't know, but there is a lot of contract here. And this also looks like the contract. That is something that you are supposed to do here. Door to personal healing and happiness. This very thing is going to take you to the door, open to the door where there is a lot of freedom, there is a lot of blessings, and this is what is going to bring you personal satisfaction, happiness, and this is going to bring a lot of healing to you in terms of your heart. Your heart is kind of awakening is what I'm sensing. Wow. Wow. Sorry, I had to pause a little bit because I'm sensing a lot of energy. I have another peacock here. I don't know if camera can pick up. There is a peacock here, and we have a white bird here. That is the sign of purity, freedom, following your heart, and the door is wide open to the blessings. Like we have rainbow here, all greenery. We have lily pad. We have lotus. It all gives me a sense of divine purpose, like your soul journey, like your life mission. All right, this door is going to open a lot of open up to a lot of happiness, emotional satisfaction. And when you probably down the lane, when you sit down and think about how crazy it was to follow that creative spark, and when you think about it, you will feel so emotionally satisfied and happy that you've actually followed your heart and you did not compromise, you did not reduce your standard for others, you did not listen to others' dominations and others' negative talks about all this, because whoa, this is big. All right, this is something big that you're going to embark upon, this journey. This is looks like this is going to be your life mission. Okay, surrender low self-esteem. You deserve success, love, and abundance. Set an intention to identify and release any remnants of low self-esteem. Yes, what you are willing to do, there is no place for low self-esteem. All right, if people are telling it is very difficult, it is not going to happen, it is about their low self-esteem, it is not yours. Don't make others low self-esteem as yours. Don't assume that whatever others are telling is the reality of you, because that is not the reality. Your reality is you are capable of doing this. You have a big mission, you have a bigger plan for your life which nobody can understand. So believe there is a divine plan, because we have the card right here sitting here telling that trust there is a divine plan. And wow, this is big, you guys. Group number 3, I absolutely congratulate you already. Look at that. We have Krishna, and he's talking about devotion. Trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. I mean, there is nothing else or no other confirmation that we need after this card, because trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. Do not give up on this. Do not give up on yourself, and do not listen to others if they are trying to dominate you or take you off the path or try to deviate your path, because that is not truth. That is not your truth. That is somebody else's truth. And the truth is you are capable of this, and you are meant to do whatever that this is talking about. All right, and I'm really happy and thrilled for your life with your life purpose. I congratulate you and wish you for this, and hopefully you will be able to follow this all the way through with the blessings of God and your angels and guides. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all I have for you right now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.